What's up, YouTube? And today I'm going to show you how to install an ad blocker. Because if you're like me and you watch like a lot of anime, you'll have all these pop-ups when you're just trying to play like your show, like that. So there's a way where you can actually install like an ad blocker, and it actually blocks ads from YouTube as well. So we're going to look up the Chrome Web Store. It's really easy, by the way. And then once we look up Chrome Web Store on Google, we're going to type in ad blocker. And then we're going to see the one with like the most downloads, which would be the first one with 296,000 downloads at the point of this time. And then we're going to add it to Chrome. We're going to add the extension to Chrome, and then it's going to install it. And it's just installing right now. And this should get rid of all your pop-ups. It wants you to pay, but you don't really have to. Like if you have the money and you actually use it and you want to support them a little bit, you can pay, but you don't have to. And if we reload the page, all these freaking pop-ups should be gone. And then whenever you're trying to you play your video, it wouldn't take you to like another website. Or when you're on YouTube, it'll stop like all the ads from coming up. So it's that easy to install an ad blocker. This is for Google Chrome, but since for me, I use Google Chrome for everything. So it's that easy. Now you can watch all your anime. You can go on YouTube with no ads.